guys, so I'm going to show you how to do a beginner dolphin push-up and an intermediate dolphin push-up. So dolphin push-ups really help to engage that core muscle, and it's the foundational piece in any exercise is the core. And the dolphin push-up is a great way to engage both the core and get those arms toned. So first thing you do is you're going to start out almost in a plank. Then you're going to go on your forearms. You're going to really make sure that the weight is evenly distributed, and you're going to tip your bum up ever so slightly. So it's almost like you're in a downward dog, but you're not. You're in a dolphin pose that they call it in yoga. Best pose ever. Then you're going to go straight forward so that the shoulder is over the elbows. Make sure the abs are engaged. Engage the obliques, engage the hamstrings, and again, pull yourself back up. So you're going to feel this in the triceps, even in the forearms. You're going to feel it in the core. You're also going to feel it in the butt. So for our intermediate version, it's a little bit harder, but gosh, if you know how to do this, you are golden. So shoulders over the elbows. You're almost like in a plank. Go into your dolphin pose again, and then this time when you come forward, you go down and up as a push-up. So what that's going to do is going to engage the backs of the arms, the shoulders even more intensely. And when you go down for the push-up, you're really working those oblique muscles to give you that nice hourglass shape that everyone loves. That curves, that's because of the obliques. So, just like a dolphin, you're going to work really hard, but you're going to be so smart and so sleek.